Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Morning Volatility Report. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you to the day before Thanksgiving trade. Well, the trade that there might be, but there's always a little something to do usually. Anyway, as far as upcoming events for OptionPit, December 5th, 9:30 Eastern Time, our directional trading primer. You know, figuring out where the stock's going to go up or down, that's fine. But the idea of the position is to try to reduce near the money risk and maximize gains versus your dollars when you actually have a move that's going in the direction you want. We help you structure that type of trade given kind of where options are trading. So that's what our event will be. It's $147. It's a good deal, and you're probably going to learn something. That's my guess. All right, and with that, let's see what we got today. And the reality is not much. Whatever action we had from Turkey and Syria might flare its head again, but it's mostly, geopolitical. Generally, you get the kind of the run up in volatility. Then nothing really happens, and then the volatility kind of melts away. That's what we had yesterday for VIX. If we look at some of the main volatility products like VXX, you're starting to get the slide down. We'll look at some trades today in the chat room on this particular subject. Kind of as you slide through the holidays, you've got non-farm payrolls on December 4th. Fed is speaking early December, and then of course we have the Fed's going to raise rates, and maybe the markets will just start to move on their own again instead of waiting for the Fed to say something. Today, again, you get a little bit of excitement here from Google. Stocks like Goldman, some of the financials should do better, and maybe into the run-up. Whatever oil rally we had yesterday seems short-lived. Almost all the oil stocks seem like they're off slightly. I think, put time spreads, something like that, and them probably aren't too bad of an idea, because the reality of oil really going up a lot is it keeps trying, but it doesn't quite make it. So plays that sort of look at a slide on kind of the oil majors would make some sense. As far as the market goes, it just looks like it wants to at least coast. I would not say it's really in big rally mode, but it's definitely in a coasting mode through Christmas. So for fund managers that didn't jump on things when they had the chance in August and September, they might have to be clawing back in on the way up as the year goes on. But volatility's dropping. Vol is dropping pretty much everywhere as far as I can see. Not huge drops, but it's basically the bids are just starting to fade a little bit for this stuff. So don't expect a whole lot of action. Most of the holiday premium has been depressed. They did a pretty good job of taking that out at the end of yesterday. If you look at it, again, you've got a less than 10 volatility now for the cycle for this week. So they've pretty much taken Thursday out. So if you're selling a bunch of options looking for a free day, you've probably missed your chance. But again, we will price some stuff in our chat today. The at the money straddle right now is $1. It's $1.28. Not much. I think that's pretty much the move we had yesterday. So they're just not pricing a whole lot to go. You got today, nothing happening on Thursday with some overnight potential. Who knows? And then into Sunday. So a lot of decay risk. So you might want to look at moving out to December 4, see if there's anything even useful there. All right. And that's about it for today. We'll be closed Thursday. We'll have a volatility report on Friday for you, and then back to kind of a normal schedule next week. Everybody, you all have a good day.